CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors Halatko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish Ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jompi
1, 2, 3. Congratulations. You could do manually. You have to do how much?
This the whole night you can slice this basket.
Yeah, but in manually.
Yeah.
Menteri Rangba Akajilla Konrad Kongkol Sangma Hagasni Baar Ula Plie Ba Ya Ki Collective Marketing Center Hagasnong That Mutlong Shangpung Po Snong Badakasnong Lasken Bad Hagani Gajo Kasni Menteri Rangba Ula Plie Ba Ya Lakadong Turmeric Festival Neka Tamasa Ban Le Kemen Nika Jingjob Ki Nongrep Shinrai Lakadong Ha West Jaiñtia Hills District Ki Collective Marketing Center Ki Dai Ki Bala Biang Lut Nadong Shadong Nadu ban That Perkhiang ban Teliat ban Ot ban tes ya ki kimin Neka Dawai ka badan Ushinrai ka ba Menshua ka jingle tes ka baju Shimpor de ki bon sngi Henry menta de ka jingdon jong ka technology batmai lala ban tes tang de ki minute Yo Menteri Rangba la senran lang da UMLA uba coming one emban Deputy Commissioner jong ka West Jaiñtia Hills District uba Garot LSN Dikes Parki officer ni kitna traikam sorkar kan bahaga jingya lang bala play ka Lakadong Festival ka balalong Hamadan Pamsna Mini Stadium Laskeng la sakhi lang do MLA uba Nujor ki sungo bat kiwei Jagani ka program la penkre da ka Directorate of Horticulture ka Sorkar Jilla bat ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency.
One is for storing and washing.
Is this helping you
Yes,
overall?
very much, sir. Very much.
The production has gone up.
Yeah.
You're able to do more work, right? And it made it easy also for you.
It's very easy because we now have to slice with that machine, not like before we have to slice by hand.
Right. Yeah. And this is all solar
Yes,
power,
solar.
right? You don't have any problem with the power.
Right now it's all fine.
That's good. Now it's up to you to maintain it
Yes,
and make it better.
Okay, thank you, sir.
After this waste water,
Yeah, the water goes out.
kindly see this because our river is near down only another maybe.
Yeah, so we can put it in a way the water goes into that. Yeah, because it's not bad water. It's just
nothing,
mud.
it's mud only. Sir.
Mud and water. No, he's saying instead of it going into the road.
Onto the road, yeah.
It should go into the river. And it's perfect to put in the river because it's just mud and water. There's no chemicals.
It washes and cleans the skin.
Okay. Same machine is not here. Right. Except that they have the pipe here. There they have to keep pouring the water.
Yeah. So we have two systems. So we want the people with the technology so that when the people, it's like a basket of options. If you have the money, you can go for this side, go this side.
This is statement later on. He also sliced the turmeric when he was a student. And now seeing this is
Once we slice here, then we have three varieties of tires.
right. And this is also solar.
Solar.
Amazing.
So these are the hospital central heating. So during the, because June, July is rainy, no sir, August. So this gives you throughout the year. Yes.
Go.
Not going. It's heat chamber.
And we have to put this cherokee stone on top.
See, my glass is getting foggy because of the heat out here.
So you need to put the cherokee stone on top. Then it retains the heat of the
And
then you put
this on top of this, you mean?
Yes.
So you have not put it yet.
No, not yet. So we are testing it now. We are testing
This is
it.
great.
Because the bribe hub should also test technology.
Absolutely. That's the whole idea. Yeah.
Then it doesn't matter who brings the turmeric.
And that's what the idea is, that only that there should be one brand. It's like an Amul model.
Yes.
That's what
Anybody will use that model.
Everybody, the cooperatives will bring it here, and then they'll buy it at a certain price, and you guarantee the same.
Yes. Even the price fixation also will be a little.
Absolutely. There'll be stability in all those aspects.
This from Shangpung village. This person
We have selected Lakadong as one product of West Jaiñtia Hill District. The district has been shortlisted among the top 10 for level 2 of screening as per the approved schemes of awards. So we have made the PowerPoint presentation before the screening committee for stage 2 evaluation on 4th March 2022.
And that's why we looked at the entire value chain. It starts with giving the seeds to the farmers, training them of how to take care of the product, helping them in processing, helping them in packaging, helping them in marketing. It is all these steps that matter for a farmer. And the government's job is to ensure that we see the entire spectrum and help the farmer all the way. That is what a mission mode program is all about. That when we celebrate our Diamond Jubilee, that is 60 years, we should be among the top 10 states in the country. That means the per capita GSDP should be among the top 10 states in the country. And that doesn't happen just because I say it should happen. It happens because we have a target. It happens because we have a plan to achieve the target. It happens because we have a mission to achieve that target. And that is why today, the GSDP of the state, the primary sector, which is the agriculture sector, adds 22% to the GSDP. 70% of our population is dependent on agriculture. Now, just by distributing seeds, if we expect that we're going to increase that contribution to the GSDP, it's not going to happen. Just by ensuring that we have one fair and one training program, that the income of the farmers will go up, it will not happen. That in the past 4 years, what we had seen and what we had started with. Today we are here, after 4 years, I'm sure, and I'm happy in fact, that Mr. K.N. Kumar is here to actually witness it himself, because he was instrumental in starting this mission. I'm sure he must be one of the most happy and the satisfied person to ultimately see the curcumin extraction taking place right here. There was a time when the curcumin content had to be measured in Kolkata. It would take 10 days. We did it in 10 minutes out here. This is the kind of technology and the kind of improvement that we are doing for the farmers. There is no curcumin extraction unit plant in the whole of Northeast. We have started doing it in a very indigenous manner, thanks to the help of Pradeep and his team. But we are intending to take it even further by ensuring that we even get better technology, even better standards, which will be acceptable globally in terms of the quality, in terms of the cleanliness, the process, and all the standards that need to be met, so that our product will be in highest demand throughout the world. And that's really what our target is. And as rightly mentioned by Mr. K.N. Kumar, that is the way forward for us. And we need to see, we need to dream big. This day today, which we are seeing, where we are actually slicing the turmeric, the Lakadong turmeric right here through a solar powered system without having to depend on the power, the traditional systems. We're able to convert it into powder. We're able to convert it into curcumin, package it here. I don't think people would have thought about this day 4 years back. But it happened because there was a vision, a target, and a mission. The reason why we called it the Lakadong Festival and not just a Lakadong Conference is because we feel that we need to celebrate. This is something to celebrate. We need to be proud of it. We need to attract other people also to come in and see what you have done, how you have taken this product that has been blessed by Almighty to us, and how you have converted into something that will be a source of revenue and income and livelihood for the farmers and the people of this area. So therefore, it's something we must celebrate and something that we must ensure that we are able to take this forward.
Kembali ke kongker lang iwan. Bahaku parliamentary. Congratulations the winners.